Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to stop Discord from automatically opening. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to search for the task manager. So to search for the task manager, there are actually two ways. Go to the search button right here and type in task manager and click on it. And then there's also a keyboard shortcut so that you may be able to see Task Manager as well. So click on Control, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard and simply click on Task Manager right here. Once you have clicked on Task Manager, just simply click on Startup right here and look for Discord. So scroll down slowly and look for Discord. So as you can see now, I can see Discord right here. So you can just simply click on the Discord and then you may click on disable on the lower right corner, or also you may just right click on Discord, click on disable, and then now what this basically do is that during the startup of your computer or during when your computer turns on, the Discord app will automatically open. So you need to disable it so that it will not open whenever you turn on or whenever you restart your computer or your laptop. So again, let's just enable it first. Let's do a recap. So first, search for Task Manager. So type in Task Manager with this icon. And then you may also type in Control Alt and Delete from your keyboard and click on Task Manager. Go to Startup right here. Scroll down a little bit. Look for Discord with this logo. And then there are actually two steps. The first one is to click on it and click on Disable found in the lower right corner. Or you may also press on the right click of your mouse. So click on disable and then now you may restart or turn on your computer or laptop without opening Discord automatically. So that's it. That's how you can stop Discord from automatically opening. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.